How would you like to discover the ideal solution to your biggest problem? You're just moments away from doing that, so keep watching. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.